Hey Kev, it's Friday. So I'm really excited about the video today. I saw this video and it's like a optical illusion, and I spent the day trying to figure out what was happening. So here it goes. So here's the video here. Looks kind of like it's going really slowly in reverse, and then all of a sudden the cucumber is being cut super fast. So what's happening here? Feel free to stop the video and go back and watch it a few more times to see if you can figure it out. So what is going on here is the camera speed is only 24 frames per second. As all cameras, it's not actually showing every moment. It's just taking a picture every 24th of a second and showing those in sequence to give the appearance of motion. But this blade is going so fast that it doesn't give that same illusion of motion. It's kind of jumping around. And it's harder to see with the outside blades, but if you look at this, if we slow it down and look at this inside knot here, or nut rather, you can see it's actually going clockwise rather than counterclockwise. And the blades that appear to be staying the same are the different. So now let's look at the cucumber. And we're going to slow it down quite a bit here. And then just go frame by frame. Then when you put the frames side by side, you can see the way that one pickle is slowly falling down a little bit with each frame. And here I have it circled so you can see the rate that it's going down. And by this, I would guess that it is cutting about just less than one cucumber per frame, since as you can see with each one, the knife or the blade is not going in quite as far as the one before. So just less than one per frame. So we're trying to figure out the slices per second. So what we know is that it's just under 1 per frame, or 24 slices per second. Now, if it was slicing exactly 24 per second, it would appear as though the blade was stationary because the frame rate would capture the blade at the same place every time. But because it's a little bit slower, the blade actually appears to be going counterclockwise. So the next step was to see how quickly it appeared to be going counterclockwise by looking at the blades. And so by counting here, it took 66 frames to go from here to here, a full rotation. So with 66 frames to fall back a full rotation and 3 slices per rotation, it's falling back 1/22 of a slice in each frame. So it is 1/22 of a slice per frame slower than the 1 slice per frame that it was almost going at, which puts the speed at 21/22 slices per frame. And then you multiply that by 24 frames per second, and you get the final answer of 22.9 slices of cucumber each second. Final answer.